Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. My video today is a continuation of my previous video where I discussed with you about what and how do we prepare you at Golden Epaulettes Aviation for your Cadet pilot program selection. I've already told you about how the written examination preparation happens at Golden Epaulettes. We've already spoken about the topics that will be covered for the interview. So today, let us see what happens in our psychometric interview preparation. A very important phase of being selected for the Cadet pilot program, so be with me till the end. As you all are aware that psychometric tests are a method of measuring an individual's mental capabilities and behavioral style. In simple terms, they will give the interviewer a measure of how you think, behave and react under certain given conditions. As a part of your pilot selection procedure, psychometry tests play a crucial role in assessing the mental health, personality, characteristics, and behavioral attributes of the candidates. Now, the psychological traits that one looks for are resilience, stress tolerance, impulse control, ambition, accuracy, perseverance, assertiveness, dominance, and persuasiveness. Along with that, you will also be checked for your teamwork, autonomy, helpfulness, openness, empathy, and your need for variation. So here at Golden Epaulettes Aviation, we are going to be conducting umpteen psychometric interviews for you, which will help you crack the interview in the first go. We will be guiding you on the traits that we spoke about. We will train you on how to answer all the questions with justification. All kinds of difficulty levels will be practiced, and we will share with you the pro level answers. So this was how we will prepare you for your psychometric interview at Golden Epaulettes Aviation. So don't be worried about your selection into the Cadet pilot program examination. All you know is that you have to walk into Golden Epaulettes Aviation or give us a call. We will be there to hold your hand and take you through. Don't be sitting at home. Come, let's fly!